Hi there. So do you hear me, guys? Do you hear me? I hope you guys hear me. Do you hear me? Do you hear me, guys? Sound is alright? Okay, so thank you very much. So actually, I lost my connection. So sorry for that. So let's move on. So I was talking about the indexes. Alright, so I was talking about the indexes. So Nasdaq 100 index just keep pushing up for upside. So it's going to be watch for a correction before going to get into the market. But Dow Jones, there's going to be an opportunity to buy the Dow Jones. All right. So watch for that correction and go for buy. If it is not going to give you a correction and going to test this bottom again, buy. Double bottom buy. S&P 500 is quite similar like that. Like it is forming an expanded flat and going to continue, which we have just seen on the Nasdaq 100 index. Yeah, going to continue. Okay, I was saying to you guys, buy the S&P 500, buy the S&P 500 when it was testing that double bottom. Okay, going. If you are not into that trade, you missed the move. All right, you missed the move. You missed the wave. You missed the opportunity. When people were getting worried about indexes, there was the opportunity. When people were selling the indexes with panic, there was the opportunity to buy. All right, so if you missed that, next time, watch it to get down for next time and look for buy. All right, so now what we are looking for on the S&P 500 to just keep pushing for upside. Okay, so if we don't see that and the correction is just going to get something like bigger, or we are having another fall, we are going to test that bottom, we will be a buyer again over there. Yeah, we will every time we will buy when we will see this pattern. All right, we will buy the S&P 500 every time when we will see that pattern. I'm just going to tell you to show you this pattern again. All right, so I have shown you before that. Yeah, this pattern. Every time when we will see this pattern, we will buy. Yeah, so there is a possibility that we can see that pattern again here. It can test that bottom for continuation to the upside. If that is going to happen, we would love to buy at the double bottom for longer term. We already bought, but we will do that again. We are not a seller over there for the S&P 500 to the downside. We love to buy the S&P 500 over for the upside. Okay, so for continuation to the upside, if you are looking for short-term trade setup, just look for this correction and buy. All right, just look for that correction, like that correction, and that is your trade, and watch continuation. Yeah, like that correction at this area, and watch it to continue for upside. Okay, that is going to be the trade for you. You guys need to look for. So correction and then buy. So here are the opportunity, the still you guys have chance to buy Nike and Euro stock. Okay, here you still have a chance to go for long on indices. If you miss the Nasdaq 100 index, if you miss the S&P 500, if you miss the all other, okay, here you have a chance. Here you have an opportunity to go for that trade. All right, that wave. Okay, like that wave, like that wave. All right, here you have an opportunity to go for buy. Okay, that is the wave you need to look for. So how you can do that? Just simply watch a correction after that breakout, watch a correction similar like the S&P 500 and buy. Yeah, if you don't see that correction and it is going to get down, testing that bottom, buy. Forming new low, buy. Okay, don't go after this trade. This trade will give you a panic, but this trade will not give you a panic. Okay, these trades, upside bullish trade, will not give you a panic. Okay, buy the Nike, buy German 30. Okay, these are the opportunities which you don't want to miss. Okay, that is your trade. All right, like that wave, that is your trade. All right, similar like the S&P 500, watch a correction, go after that trade. Yeah, if testing the bottom, buy. All right, don't miss these waves. So Euro stock, same here. Euro 600, Euro 50. If you miss the Nasdaq 100 index, you miss the S&P 500, you shouldn't be you should be here, you know, in this wave, all right, in this trade. Okay, breakout, continuation, buy. If not going to break out, testing that bottom, buy. All right, buy. New low, buy. Don't go after that trade. These are the trades you need to catch. Similar like the Nasdaq 100 index. All right, so Euro stock, UK 100 index, you should not miss these indexes. The indexes I'm showing you guys. If you miss the Nasdaq 100 index, if you miss the other, you should not miss these indexes. All right, so UK 100 index correction, that is your trade. Yeah, double bottom wash, that is your trade. New low, buy. All right, so you shouldn't be a seller over there for short term to the downside. You should be a buyer over there every time when it is forming new low. All right, so correction like that one, and watch it to continue for upside. There is only one direction on these indexes, the indexes I'm just showing you. Yeah, so short term correction has just completed. Same here. Euro, Franc 40, CAC 40. All right, correction, that is your trade. If testing bottom, buy. Not going to give you correction. You see that US 2000 is just heading for upside. Okay, so that was the opportunity. That was the opportunity to go for long. All right, so this wasn't a high probability trade. This was a high probability trade. Okay, because this is with the trend. Okay, people wait for these kind of corrections. Always wait. They love to see huge player, the big players always love to see, and they start to buy every time when they see. Okay, so this one is not a perfect one. All right, so now let's look at the coins market, guys. What we can see on the coins market. Bitcoin. So let me look at the platinum first, and then we're gonna look at the Bitcoin. All right, so watch a correction on the platinum and go for short continuation trade. All right, that trade. If testing top again, go for short. Bitcoin, one more wave down. All right, so you have to be ready. The coins which I was showing you, you have to be ready for those coins. Okay, so correction, that trade, short-term wave, double bottom, look for buy. Yeah, last week I was showing you that one more drop. That is just happening over there. Okay, so get ready for the buy on the old coin, on the Ripple. All right, so that is the wave you need to catch. Okay, that is the wave you need to catch. Okay, 38, 30, 40, buy Ripple. These coins gonna make you rich. Okay, a lot of money. If you are going to spend almost $10,000, that $10,000 is going to give you something like 500, $500,000. All right, almost half a million you're gonna get by spending $10,000 on these coins. On Ripple, Muna coin, it is coming down. Yeah, so last week someone was saying that it will not go back to the bottom. Yes, it is coming. All right, so Muna coin is coming. So these are the buy plays. That is the wave. Okay, same here. Don't miss these opportunities. Yeah, if you miss the Nasdaq 100 index or Nasdaq or S&P 500, then those miss these coins. I have shown you these coins before. If you can afford to buy these coins even with small money, then do that. All right, so how to buy these old coins, or for that, head to the Google, search on Google how to buy. Yeah, I'm showing you trade, not showing you the way to buy. All right, so for that, Google is there. Google can help you. YouTube can help you how to buy these coins or these tokens. All right, whatever you want to call these, call them. Okay, so I come in 5 cent, 4 cent, 3 cent, 2 cent, wherever price gonna hit bottom. That is your wave. Don't miss these coins, these trade setups. All right, so if someone is saying to you guys, these are the scam or Ponzi scheme, or these coins not gonna work or gonna crash, don't believe on them. They will go back up. These coins will go back up. All right, these coins will go back up. So the question is, when these coins will be at the top, will you be there or not? Will you be into that trade or not? That is the question. If you will be there into that trade, all right. If you will not be there into that trade, problem. All right, there are going to be problems. So you're going to miss the wave. You're going to regret on that wave later on, after a couple of weeks or even a couple of months. Okay, so don't miss these waves. Whatever the capital you can afford to spend on these trade setups, so try to do that. Okay, same here. Another coin, Sia coin, or whatever the name you want to call that. Yeah, so these are the prices you need to look for buy. Yeah, they can't go beyond these. They can't go beyond the zero. All right, so there is another setup for short term on this coin. If you trade on this coin, look for buy. It can give you 200% or 300% profit. Yeah, it will not go beyond the zero. It will be very, very quick. Yeah, that trade. Okay, buy. This is your trade. All right, so OITA, don't miss this trade. Yeah, don't miss this coin as well, OITA. Okay, it will be there at the top very soon. Okay, so 30, that is your wave. Yeah, let this wave complete first. Buy. Get ready for that. Get ready for the buy. Bitcoin is just coming close to the 6,000 or 5,000. All right, so these are the trade setup, guys. You need to focus on for next week. All right. Any question? We are looking for more than that. So let's suppose Muna coin is last time hit to 25. We are looking for it to hit the 30. Yeah, even if it's not going to hit the 30 and only going to hit the 25, that's going to be a lot of money. Yeah, a lot of money. Okay, we have just calculated the figure. Yeah, the potential on 10K in our room. 10K potential gonna give you 410. Yeah, 10K gonna give you 410. 10K investment. Yeah, this is a lot of money on 10K account, on $10,000 investment. All right, lot of money. Yeah, no business can give you this much potential. Yeah, you can't get that much potential, that much reward from any kind of business. All right, 10K gonna give you the coins which I'm just showing you. Yeah, five to six coins. Yeah, almost 6 to 7 coins. Yeah, we are searching more coins where we see potential in longer term, where we're gonna see prices gonna go back up. Yeah, so we are searching more, but these are the high potential coins which you guys need to look for. Okay. Yeah, they will. They will. All right. So there is only, in one case, these coins gonna go beyond the zero, and that is if all countries gonna start to say that these coins or trading on these coin is illegal. Yeah. All right. If countries are going to say that this is illegal activity, then they're gonna go beyond the zero. Yeah. Otherwise, they are already at the close to the zero, like 30 cent, 40 cent. We are looking to buy for 30 cent, 40 cent, or on some coins 5 cent or 3 cent. Yeah. So we are looking to buy these coins for longer term when they are already at the cheapest price. Yeah. Muna coin went to $25. Now coming back to the 20 cent, 30 cent, or 40 cent, or 50 cent area. Yeah. All right, so they can stay at the area for a while before going to go back up, to go back up. Yeah, that period gonna be a consolidation period or regulation period, or you can say that pressure period for cryptocurrencies. But yeah, this market will not stay at that area, at that bottom for that much longer term. All right, I mean not for 6 or 7 or 8 months. Prices will go back up very, very soon and very, very aggressively. Yep, currently you can see over there, countries are talking about the regulations. They are regulating the cryptocurrencies, which is good. Good for longer term point of view. Yeah, the regulations are good for longer term point of view. Why regulations are good? Because regulations going to give, security and peace of mind to investors. Currently, they don't have peace of mind. Their funds, vulnerable. All right. So regulation is going to protect their investment. Yeah. So in longer term point of view, price is going to go back up. So you are having opportunity to go for long on it. All right. Okay, so if you're gonna buy these coins when market already gonna be close to the $8, $10, or $15, and you're gonna look for it to go back up something like $50 or $100, that's gonna be very, very late and unrealistic. Yeah, but currently it is realistic. All right, why it is realistic? We have seen first impulse or first wave recently in December or in last year. Yeah, so these coins will go back up. So don't miss these waves, these coins. There you're gonna get a lot of money on these coins, the coins which I'm showing you. Okay, don't miss these coins. All right, I think enough for today, fellows. Today, yeah. So we'll see you back in another weekly market outlook. Yeah. So keep eyes on these opportunities, specifically on these coins. Until then, have a nice weekend. Enjoy your week and very, very profitable week. Thank you very much for being with me. Yeah. Thank you very much for joining the weekly market outlook. Bye bye.